Okay, just to give you another example of constants and how you change them. Again, it's just exactly the same as you did with the linear graph, but here's an exponential graph. I'm showing the 2 to the exponent x. This is this graph here, and that's, you know, crossing at 1, and you can talk about those features. And then I've got another one where I'm going to change now that 2 to the exponent x with it by a constant, multiplying it by a constant, so a multiplier scale factor. And again, you just bring your constant controller out, and this is just going to go by, I don't know, steps of 0.5, and you can show the students that as you, again, change a, as a gets bigger, what's happening to the graph, where it's crossing the y-axis, which is the major feature of things, that the asymptote stays the same, it's the x-axis, and then you can show what happens when a becomes negative, and you get a flip of the original graph. So here it is when you've got the exact opposite. You get -1 times 2 to the exponent x. So you have a mirror image of the other graph crossing at -1 instead of 1, and the asymptote is still the x-axis, but it's a mirror image of the other. And again, you can animate this if you want, up and down, and play it. I like to control it, and I like to show it, you know, that's... So you can do this with any graph, and it's a very, very useful thing to play with.